In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe quickly and easily. Watch until the end for a bonus tip that will help you stay organized. Let's get started. First, go to stripe.com, then sign into your account using your email and password. Next, make sure you're on the home section so you can access all your main tools. Then click the plus button in the top right corner of your dashboard to open new options. Now choose Invoice from the list to start creating your invoice. After that, fill in the customer name, currency, items, and any other important details for your invoice. Once you've finished adding all the necessary information, just click Send Invoice to send it directly to your customer. Bonus tip: use Stripe's Saved Items feature so you can quickly add products or services to future invoices without typing them out every time. And that's how you create an invoice in Stripe. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!